Hi everyone, I am Ruchi Mukherjee. I specialize in quite a few modalities and I practice all of them along with teaching a few of them. I am a psychologist approved by Mental Health Organization India after finishing my Masters in Clinical Psychology. I am a certified clinical hypnotherapist from California Hypnosis Institute, USA. I am a Reiki Grandmaster and I practice distance healing, animal Reiki, and I take certified Reiki classes too. Tarot card reading, face reading, graphology, past life regression, crystal therapy are some of the modalities I specialize in and practice. I take certified classes for tarot, graphology, crystal therapy. In a nutshell, I specialize in alternative therapy, which includes all sorts of body and mind therapies, be it psychological, emotional, physical, or issues related to subconscious. All the above services are available through AstroTalk. You can contact me through AstroTalk. Thank you.